ready for takeoff.
You will crash through every obstacle. You will tear down all barriers. You will shake the world.
Come over here. I want to show you something.
We are witnessing today something greater than a lasting triumph. Greater than a lasting triumph in stone and steel.
I just can't believe it. Would you mind telling me again, very slowly?
That's your new house. This is your new grass. And those are your new trees, and here's your new husband. You like it?
It's the most wonderful surprise anybody ever had. Photographed me, smashed the photographer's camera.
Yes, I'm told I crept into many a heart that night.
You're next. You want to keep going? You're next. So push. Come.
Rides a motorcycle like he's chopping down trees with a chainsaw. Nothing stands in his way.
The new tire is already in place on number 351 Canaveral. Meanwhile, the shuttle flashes by, incomplete.
OTC, Airdown 1. OTC, this is the PLC on Airdown 1. How do you read? I copy loud clear, PLC. And OTC, CDO, how do you read? I got you loud clear now. Okay, have it closed.